Welcome to our new pastoral planning workshop. This is your Kuya Mel from the Institute of St. Hosea, the training arm of the St. Hosea Hermitage. This short video was created to introduce our new course for pastors and pastoral workers. Let me introduce myself and my pastoral experience to provide you some idea where my training is coming from. Since this course is about pastoral planning, my background comes from my training at the Asian Social Institute, a church-initiated school of higher learnings where I finished my Master's of Science in Pastoral Sociology. This school is based in Manila. Much of the skills I will impart in this workshop comes from my training in pastoral planning, organizational development, pastoral administration, and pastoral psychology, all of which were applied to my work as a pastoral formator at the parish in Imus in Cavite, Philippines, and later when I became a researcher for the Archdiocese of Manila, where I applied my skills not only in research, but also in helping the Archdiocese in organizing and training their youth leaders in pastoral ministry. My theological formation was shaped both by the Asian Social Institute and Mary Hill School of Theology, particularly skilled in doing theology, also known as theologizing from below. This training program is meant for pastors and pastoral workers who wanted to apply the Jungian approach in pastoral planning. So what is the Jungian approach? Simply put it, it's the application of Carl Jung's analytical psychology in pastoral planning. Our planning methodology has been widely used in organizational development and even adopted in parish or pastoral setting. Planning, taking into consideration our pastoral tasks, necessarily includes pastoral or spiritual approaches. This makes this a pastoral planning. What makes this workshop unique is how we apply Jungian concepts to help us in our planning process. At the end of the course, I envision participants shall be able to design a pastoral plan for their ministry, applying a discernment process, examining through the stages of Carl Jung's individuation process. The first 12 sessions will focus on Carl Jung's conscious, ego, and the unconscious stages of individuation, such as the persona, shadow, anima and animus, and the self, shadow work, and dreams. The last 4 sessions will focus on the mechanics of planning, such as the SWOT and PEST analysis, formulation of vision, mission, goals, programs, and projects. This introduction serves as a leveling off session to clarify our understanding of this workshop. Let me know if you have other expectations. As regards your reading materials, I'm still in the process of gathering what we need, as this would be my first time to hold this workshop after almost 20 years of absence in teaching and ministry. I am starting from scratch, so please understand. But I find lots of resources in the net which I would like to share with you. I'll just have to compile them together. By the way, this introduction do not count as your first session. There will be 16 more sessions, and each uploaded on a Saturday. The first one will be held next week. For the meantime, please do your consultation with me to clarify your expectations, and we will see if we can accommodate whatever you think you need to learn from this. And please categorize your expectations as follows. The first, what knowledge you need to learn in pastoral planning with Jungian approach. And second, what skills you need to acquire. And third, what attitudes you need to develop.